Okay, my international name for as a writer, Mehmet Güneş. I'm from Syria and from Mehmet city in Deir ez-Zor in the east of Syria. I'm a teacher and a writer. I am also a recognized poet by the British Council. I have been teaching English for a long time. I teach English with music to make English or learning English enjoyable, exciting, and fun for our students. Recently, we're working on a conference to gather poets from all over the world, from the United States, from Turkey, from Syria, and the purpose is to let people remember that poetry is important, literature is important in our life. Yes, first of all, I had this idea last year, in mid-August, to be exact, in mid-August, I had this idea to have a kind of gathering which gathers poets from many parts of the world. So I have been working on that project since last year, and I was able to do it this year in Nineveh International School in Ankara. The title of the event is Pain and Sustain. I'm a volunteer for the United Nations as well. I also help students to learn English in a fun, exciting, and amusing way. This makes students learn English in an easy way, because learning a language is not easy. Learning a language is quite difficult. That's why we try to make it easy, simple, fun, exciting. And our motto is every day English, English, every day in Nineveh International Schools.